This video introduces instrument transformers. It is an extract from my course on transformers, and it is only a small piece of the whole course, but the fundamental takeaways are still worthwhile reviewing. However, for more details, visit my SAM store, where you can see the entire course and where all of my courses reside. You can zero in on the one entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals, and you can access my SAM store at this web address.
Instrument transformers. Instrument transformers are a special type of transformer used for the measurement of voltage and current. As the name suggests, these transformers are used in conjunction with the relative instruments such as ammeters, voltmeters, wattmeters, and energy meters, as well as protective relays. Such transformers are of two types. Current transformers. Current transformers are used when the magnitude of AC current exceeds the safe value of the current required for the measuring instruments. Potential transformers or voltage transformers are used where the voltage of the AC circuit exceeds 750 volts and it is not possible to provide adequate insulation on measuring instruments for voltage more than this. These are examples of current transformers that may be found on the bushings of a circuit breaker or a transformer. They are known as donut CTs for their similar look to a donut. The picture on the right is not a CT, but a typical transformer or breaker bushing, which would be mounted through the center of a donut CT. The secondary winding is wrapped concentrically around a toroid, which is usually made up of laminated iron or steel. The primary is a single conductor, usually a bushing, mounted through the center of the toroid. The donut fits over a conductor, bushing, or bus bar, which constitutes the primary having one primary turn. The secondary is wound around a toroid core, which is usually made up of laminated iron that concentrates the magnetic flux and forces it through all of the secondary turns. Some donut CTs come with the primary conductor incorporated in the CT itself, and connections are made by bolting to the primary lead. If the toroid is wound with 240 secondary turns, then the ratio of the CT is 240 to 1, or 1200 to 5. The 5 amps designates the continuous rating of the secondary winding and is normally 5 amps in North America. And sometimes it's 1 amp or 0.5 amps in other parts of the world. This type of CT, or donut CT, is mostly found in circuit breakers and transformer bushings. The CT fits into the bushing turret, and the bushing fits through the center of the donut. It's not uncommon to find up to 4 CTs of this type installed around each bushing in a breaker or a transformer. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. One of those products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra is one of the most versatile whole home backup solutions that has just been introduced to the market. This backup power system is designed for both extended outages and daily use, with the unrivaled capacity of 6 kilowatt hours
and 7,200 watts output, and 5.6 kilowatt solar input. A single unit can run your entire home. With 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Smart Home Panel, you get an uninterrupted power supply backup, and with automatic switchover, energy consumption monitoring, and lower electricity bills. This unit is not driven by gas or diesel generation, but uses the battery storage unit that is charged when the utility is available. This means that the unit can be placed indoors or outdoors and is virtually silent when operating. It has a stackable design that can be expanded to increase output in only minutes, compatible with various energy sources from solar to gas to meet your ever-changing power needs. To attain a discount of 5% off of all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 products and more information on this subject, and to pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators, simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/3 lowercase u, uppercase w, lowercase v, lowercase e, uppercase r, and lowercase h. Before we end this video, I want to repeat the connection to my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators and the 5% discount code for all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my stand store.